And we're just like, oh, that's disgusting.
Who wants cake?
She probably was mad, huh?
His mom?
Yeah.
Yeah, she pulled him by the hair and was like grabbing him out.
Well, because you buy cake for everybody to eat and nobody gets to eat it.
After he was done. It was so funny though. Because he has long hair too, so his mom just grabbed him.
That's gross.
Was he really going to bring a lighter or no?
I'm just teasing you. Okay, he was wonderful till like 2 seconds ago.
That's going to be like the world's longest video. This one.
Want to talk to the real Samantha?
Yeah, like the real one.
Can we get a lighter? See how she is.
I'm going to YouTube her.
That's not funny.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's gonna melt either way, so.
Samantha's
The
eyes.
drip candles.
Let me see the camera, Myrna.
With fondant.
No, it's regular buttercream.
Yeah.
No, it's a beautiful.
Black is buttercream?
No,
This
the black.
part is Fonda.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying. Ready?
Oh!
It like the spark went in my eye. It like touched my eyeball. It felt weird.
Ready?
How about
Now.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Samantha. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it.
Many more.
On channel 4, make a wish.
I didn't even make a wish.
Oh, you have to relight it and make a wish.
Just make a wish that they
Samantha.
blow it out. Grab the flames.
I think everything. Okay.
Make your wish and feel it.
Sorry. Are you recording, Stephanie?
No, I'm not recording. I'm taking pictures.
Yay!
Doesn't it take better pictures sometimes without the flash? Without the flash?
Yeah.
You take pictures with the flash and you guys come out like ghosts. Anybody does.
Oh, okay. Thought you're
Even
making
he did.
fun of us.
Even I do.
How are we gonna cut it now?
Anytime he's ready, he wants to leave. Like, if he's done eating,
Anybody have a clean knife?
Who?
Clean knife anyway?
Oh yeah?
if I'm done swimming, okay, let's go home.
What?
We're gonna eat some clean plate stuff.
Yeah, where's that guy?
Ooh, fondant is good.
Can I try some?
Or is this from
Yeah,
like the
can
whole
you-
like looking at your cake beyond? Her and the cake beyond.
What do you mean, man?
Cut it across.